Casinos? What's going on with the casinos? Earnings, no? China news and gambling. Okay. Baba is still holding up really well versus the other China tech names. Got stopped out of KWEB yesterday. Peloton is taken out of the Nasdaq 100. Great job. And they're replaced by a boomer company, ODFL. We had another little bit of a washout yesterday. Today we're having a gap down. Let's see if we can mean revert back or if we are gonna keep selling lower. This SOXL, man, that day 4 mean reversion, man, I wish I should have taken the trade on the short side. Man. I'm telling you, it's the best day trading setup. Nothing that comes close to it. Those mean reversion setups. When they work, they really work. Yeah, it's an interesting level in the markets. Definitely. Yeah, these smaller cap biotechs are just getting killed. Large cap biotechs holding up much better. Semis bouncing here. I think semis are a very interesting sector. Just need to tighten up. I think they will, if the market stabilizes, I think the semis will eventually make a big move later this year. I still hold about 85% of my Ford position. But it hasn't even moved yet. I mean, it's only up like, I don't know, 22% from entry. I'm looking for 50%. I'm looking for a move to 30. It's not even halfway there yet. Or it's halfway there from entry. Yeah, I got stopped out of KWEB and something else. I don't remember. KWEB and something else. I don't know. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. The KBH EP, yeah, it looked really good. This is a textbook, textbook. Look at the volume. It was the biggest volume in like at least 5-6 years. And it took out this, I don't know, almost a year-long range. Yeah, it looks good. Look, it's been building higher lows for like 2 years. Yeah, it's textbook. The only reason I didn't take it is it's a very liquid stock. It's a small cap or mid cap stock. But it's textbook, definitely. Look at the 60-minute. You had the whole day to buy it in the low mid 48 area after the volume came in. Look at this 1-minute volume candle. What, 700,000 shares, like half the average daily volume in one minute candle. That's what you want to see in an EP. Big volume early. Yeah, QCOM is another one setting up. You can just tighten up for a few days. That would be a 5-star. Oh, this one you can do size. Nice. QCOM is actually reminding me about Ford. Very similar. A little bit slower, sluggish, boomer stock. But it built this like month and a half long base with higher lows. It got tighter, showed relative strength, and then it went. And QCOM is kind of similar. Made a nice move, and now it's just getting tighter and building higher lows. The 50 days starting to catch up. Yeah, LI and XPEV are really setting up. They are. Oh, they're getting so tight. These are bulls in cages right now. LI and XPEV. Unless the markets crap out, these things will make big moves. I expect at least 50, maybe even 100% from both of them. But they haven't really broken out yet. They're still inside of the ranges, so it's a little bit anticipating. They need to break out with, conviction. We're not there yet. Yeah, I saw that. Biggest outflows from ARK. The biggest inflows came near the top. Now we're getting record outflows. Interesting. That's usually how it works for tops and bottoms. Not a perfect timing indicator, but it's just, one piece of the puzzle. Doesn't mean anything if price action doesn't confirm, but yeah, I saw it too. It's getting interesting. The same people who were panic buying this thing last year. Now they're panic selling it, right? Rinse and repeat. Same thing over and over again. Do I ever watch breadth indicators? Sometimes. They're generally more valuable when there is like, you know, heavy selling, like panic going on. Breadth is not as good for, you know, timing tops. Tops usually take a while to form. Like for example, last year, markets kept grinding higher on lower and lower breadth, right? But usually market bottoms are more sudden. GoPro is better on the weekly. Yeah, maybe, yeah. I don't know. I mean, look, if it has earnings soon, you know, if we can gap up, you know, have an EP on earnings, you know, could be good. But for breakout, I wouldn't trade it. Oh, it's slow, man. Remember the good old times when there were like 3 stocks every day up 100% plus from like early to 2020 to early 2021? Every day for a year, pretty much. And also a good chunk of 2021 after the first few months. Those times are over. The guys that played that game, they ran out of money. Oh, semis. Oh, yeah. This is exactly what you want to see. The strong bounce back from the lower end of the range. That's a sign of strength. Very strong. Just need to tighten up. Yeah, the strong names are strong. The energy names. The semi names. Ford.